In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your site for free in Webflow. To get started, open your Webflow project and make sure your site is ready to be published. This part is important because the download method we're using depends on your site being live on Webflow's free staging domain. Before you publish, take a moment to confirm that every page you want included is complete and accessible. If a page isn't published, it won't be available for export later. So go through your main pages. Check that everything looks right and then publish the site to your Webflow staging domain. Once the publishing is complete, head over to the live version of your Webflow staging site. This is the public version of your project that Webflow generates for you. When the site opens in your browser, go to the address bar and copy the full URL. You will need this exact link for the next step. So make sure you are copying the live staging address and not just viewing the project inside the Webflow designer. After that, open a dedicated scraping or exporting tool such as Webflow Export. These tools are designed to read the public version of your site and collect the front-end files that are being served live. When you are on the exporter page, paste your site's live URL into the input field provided. Double-check the link before moving on, especially if your site has multiple pages or if you recently republished changes. Next, click the Export button and allow the tool some time to process your site. Depending on the size of your project, this may take a few moments. During this step, the tool scans the published site and gathers the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and visible assets associated with it. In other words, it's creating a packaged version of the live front end of your site. Once the processing is finished, the tool will generate a downloadable zip file. Download that zip file to your computer and keep it somewhere easy to find. Inside, you will typically find the core files needed for the exported version of the site, which can be useful if you want to review the code structure or host the front end elsewhere. And that's it. Thanks for watching.